I can't guarantee you that Notre Dame will be restored exactly as you had seen it or any one of us has seen it. But what I can pretty much guarantee you is that it will be restored. One of the good things is it probably can be restored safer than it's ever been before. My name is Charles W. Cook, PhD, clinical professor in the construction management program at Drexel University. So there are various ways that you can restore historic structures. In my opinion, and this is my opinion, there's no reason to restore a building without making it safer than it was before. Architecturally, we know what the building was, and there are drawings that will show us what the building was. But what we don't know is what the damage has been. So number one, we need to make it safe for people to go in. Number two, then we have to have a full understanding of what the structural damage is. We know that the wood that supported the roof and was integral to the rest of the wall structure has been destroyed. Will they substitute steel for what had been wood? The public's not going to see it, but it could be structurally safer. Some of the things that you have to realize is because it was a historic structure, some of the safety issues were not looked into. There were no sprinklers. Why were there no sprinklers? Well, you wouldn't put a sprinkler in a masterful medieval cathedral. But look what happened. Saving the structure is more important than changing it. One of the biggest challenges is getting along. I think that everyone's going to have ideas. But what we have to do is we have to find a consensus that I think is going to involve the public, people who have already invested hundreds of millions of dollars in donations, federal or state agencies, architects, engineers, builders. Yes, it will be restored. We can be assured of that. And if anything, it will actually be better than before.